Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to read QR codes using your Google Pixel camera. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open settings, and then we're gonna search for the camera. So we're gonna type in camera, and here we'll see it pops up, and then we're gonna click on that, and here you can see camera scan suggestions. So you're gonna toggle this on, and now if we open up the camera on your device and we pull up a QR code, so you can see if I bring my phone up to the QR code, there will appear a link on the bottom of your camera. So if you click on that, you can see that the link opens. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.